Hey, welcome back everyone. Today's topic is a real game changer. We're diving into practical strategies to overcome procrastination. It's like learning to navigate through a maze. Once you know the right turns to take, you'll find your way out much faster. Let's jump in and discover some effective ways to beat the procrastination bug. Simple yet effective strategies. The 5-minute rule. Feeling overwhelmed by a task? Tell yourself you'll only work on it for 5 minutes. Often, getting started is the hardest part, and once you begin, you'll find it easier to keep going. Break it down. Large tasks can seem daunting. Break them into smaller, manageable parts. It's like eating an elephant one bite at a time, much more doable. Set clear deadlines. Give yourself specific timelines for completing tasks. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help focus your mind. It's like setting a timer for a race. It motivates you to move faster. Eliminate distractions. Identify what distracts you the most and find ways to minimize these distractions. It could be turning off your phone notifications or finding a quiet place to work. Use rewards. Motivate yourself with small rewards for completing tasks. It's like giving yourself a treat after a workout. It makes the effort feel more worthwhile. Mindset shifts to help you procrastinate less. Focus on starting rather than finishing. Shift your focus from finishing a task to simply starting it. This takes the pressure off and makes the task feel less intimidating. Change your environment. Sometimes a change of scenery can boost your productivity. It could be as simple as working in a different room or a cafe. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself when you slip up. Remember, overcoming procrastination is a process, and it's okay to have setbacks. Visualization techniques. Visualize the benefits of completing the task. This can provide a boost of motivation and a clear picture of why the task is important. Building better habits. Develop routine. Create a routine that incorporates time for work and breaks. Consistency can help reduce the urge to procrastinate. Accountability partners. Team up with someone who can hold you accountable. It's like having a workout buddy. They help keep you on track. Reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on what strategies are working and what aren't. Be prepared to adjust your approach as needed. So, overcoming procrastination is about finding what strategies work best for you and incorporating them into your daily life. So, let's embrace these strategies and start turning our procrastination into productivity. Remember, every step forward is progress, no matter how small. You have the tools now, it's time to put them into action. Let's do this together, one task at a time.